guys. Let me share the screen. Hmm, चलो. Okay. So guys, still you guys are joining late. So Udbhav, Ashish.
Yes, sure.
Turn on your cameras. I can see Ashish is not turning. He is giving some experience.
So my camera is on.
Sorry?
My camera is on, sir.
Camera is on. Ayyo Rama. Okay.
Sir, it's on actually. I can see him.
Okay. चलो. हाँ. In exercise 4.3, till what we have done? In exercise 4.3, till what we have finished? Hello. In 4.3, till what we have done, man?
Sir, checking.
You check now. Okay. See, guys. So first question, second question we have done with me, I guess so. First question, second question done. Fourth question also we have done. Fifth question we have done. Fifth one. Sixth one also we have done. Seventh one I told you to solve. Eighth one I told you. Yes, eighth one also we have done. I just suggested. Ninth one. So as ninth one, how many have you done with the ninth one? Tell me. Ninth one, how many have you have solved? Two water taps together can fill a tank in 3/8 hours. So the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank.
Sir, I have solved it.
Very
Uh,
simple.
I think my answer is correct. I don't know. I got first tab 15 hours and second tab 25 hours.
Okay. First tap what?
15 hours
Okay.
and second tab 25 hours.
Yes. But one answer is no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 25 and 15, right answer.
Okay, sir.
So I think you guys have to solve this. Everyone can solve this question. So
Sir,
time has
I'm
been
getting,
given.
sir,
Sorry?
I'm getting 24.
Sorry?
Sir,
I didn't get you.
sir, my voice is clear now.
Yeah, your voice is clear.
Sir, I'm getting 24 hours. Sir.
You are wearing 24. Anujip, turn on your camera. Tushar, turn on your camera. Yes. Tell me what's your problem? Who is talking?
Sir, I'm getting
Ah, yes,
answer.
again. Yes, tell me.
Sir, my answer is getting 24. Sir. How 25, sir?
How to define? So let us solve this. Look at this here. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 3/8 hours. So let the time taken by the smaller pipe. So let the time taken by smaller one. I mean smaller pipe. You said small pipe. We do not know that X hours. And he is saying that 10 hours less than the smaller one. So means larger one. Larger means what? Larger is equal to X minus 10 hours. So taken time taken by larger one. Time taken by larger pipe. So X minus 10 hours. He only told that. He only given the data 10 minus hour. X minus 10. Right? So he has given time now. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. So part of tank filled by one. 1 second. So larger pipe is what? X minus 10, smaller one is X hours, right?
Yes, sir.
So look at this here. Smaller pipe can fill one tank. How much time? X hours. And larger pipe can fill one tank within how much hours? X minus 10 hours. Isn't it? So what is the meaning of this? Quantity by time. Quantity by time I'm writing. So he has given how much? The given time. The given tank, the given that the tank can be filled in 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8 hours. Right? So 9 3 by 8 hours means how much? 9 8 72 75 by 8 hours. Isn't it? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, guys? Yes. So now therefore like sum up. This is what tank can fill. This is what total time. So smaller pipe, total time is equal to what now? Total time is equal to 78 by 8 hours. So total time means smaller pipe plus larger pipes time is equal to 78 by 75 by 8. 75 by 8. 75 by 8 hours. So smaller one X I took. This is X minus sorry. Oh, 1 second. So this is 1 by X, smaller one. One tank capable of X minus 10 is equal to 78 by 75 by 8. Understood, guys? 75 by 8 here. So why we are writing 1 by here? Tell me. Why we are writing 1 by 8? Tell me. 1 by X and why we are writing? There's the reason behind writing.
Sir,
Yes.
To
for
find
a tank, it takes that much time.
Yes. One tank, a smaller pipe will take X hours to fill one tank. Larger pipe will take X minus 10 hours to fill one tank. Tell me. Yes. Anudip, tell me.
No, sir, I was about to say that.
Look at this. So what is LCM? Take LCM. What is LCM? Or you use what is LCM here? X minus 10 is LCM. What is LCM? Tell me. Or cross multiplication. This into this. X minus 10 into 1 plus X divided by X into X minus 10 is equal to 75 by 8. So again cross multiplication. So 8 into X minus 10 plus X is equal to 75 into X minus 10. So here, so 8 2x minus 10 is equal to 75 x square minus 10x, right? So 16x minus 80 is equal to 75 x square minus 750x. So 75 x square minus 750 plus 16, how much? 766x plus 80 is equal to 0. This is what I get, isn't it?
Yes.
उद्भव आपको बहुत हंसी आ रहा है भाई, क्यों आ रहा है हंसी?
कुछ नहीं सर.
हंस क्यों रहा है फिर?
नहीं सर.
क्या कौन तो भी मजाक उड़ा रहा है क्या घर पे?
नहीं सर.
नहीं, फिर क्या हाल है बताइए? हमको भी बताइए भाई, हम तो भी थोड़ा हंस लेंगे, हम भी हंसना चाहते हैं.
कुछ नहीं सर. बैंड परेशान.
हाँ. देखो पहले देखो क्लास देखो, इस पे क्या करेंगे? इस पे अभी व्हाट कैन वी टेक हियर? Is there any mistake we made? Calculation mistake? Check it out one. So here 2x minus 10, correct, into 8. So 75x square minus 150. So 16x minus 160. Oh, 1 second, guys. Oh, 8 minus 80. 16x minus 80.
Sir,
Correct.
it's plus 16, it's not minus.
Sorry, which one?
So it should be 7, 6. It is correct.
Sorry?
It's correct, sir. It's correct. I thought you made some mistake.
Yes, yes. Now look at this. Factorize this. Factorize. इसको factorize कीजिए. How can we do factorize of this? So first is 75 into 80. 75 into 80 क्या आएगा? करेंगे तो 75 into 80. 75 2s 150. 150 4 times. So 6000. राइट 6000 आएगा. तो बीच वाले टर्म को 6000 में कैसा बांटेंगे हम लोग? हाउ कैन यू स्प्लिट दिस इन 6000? टेल मी, गाइस. Tell me, is there any mistake which we made? Or if you take LCM, x minus 10, so no. So whatever we have done, that is absolutely right. So where we made a mistake? Look at this, something we made mistake here. Look at this, guys. Where it is?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, just below the x minus 10 plus x divided by x into x minus 10, just below the step, 75 into x minus 10. You do not multiply 75 with x and directly wrote. Okay, no, sir, it's right. It's right.
Yeah, it is right.
That is correct.
Okay, let us solve by using quadratic formula. What is the formula? So 766 plus or minus b square. B square का मतलब
Sir, it should be minus 766. Oh, yeah.
minus of minus plus, man.
No, I'm saying like before the root.
That's what minus b, no.
Oh, yes, okay. I didn't see the minus.
Tell me what is 766 whole square? Uh, 766 so
Sir, I got the answer. 586756.
58.
586756.
Very good. So what is 4 into 75? 300. 308. 300 into 80. 300 into 8, how much? 24 to 40. 300 into 80. 24, so 3 zeros. So 586, 756 minus 24,000. So divided by 150. भाई इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन है तो इसको क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा ध्यान से करेंगे. What will happen? 562756 divided by so square root of that is what?
0, 0, 0, 9, 50 square root of 4, 11.
So you will be getting approximately 766 means plus or minus you will be getting approximately 750 something like that divided by 150. If you add this, so guys, what will you get? 750 plus 766 how much? 1516 by 150. So plus or minus. This is one thing. And 766 minus 750 how much? कितना होता है? 16 by 150. ये दोनों हमारा possible roots है, समझा? But we have to get in positive. We have to get something in positive, right? So yes, 1 second, guys. Is there any fault with the question? Look at this. Is there anything which we made wrong by looking straight away the question?
No, sir. This is all correct.
Okay. So 1 second. Then we are making so complicated here. So
Sir,
yes.
for that you took 1 by x and 1 by x minus 10. No, sir. You took reciprocal. You didn't take reciprocal for 75 by 8. You should write 8 by 75 there.
8 by
75.
no, not reciprocal. Ma. Look at this here. For filling one tank, this is the time. For filling by smaller pipe, this is one. So time how much? 25 by 8. Correct only. I didn't write anything reciprocal. So one thing. I got it now. I got it, guys. So one thing simply we can do is very good idea. See here. You just keep all this 1 second. From till guys, look at this here. Let us write like this instead of writing like that. So also tank filled by smaller one. Tank filled by smaller one is what? What is that? 1 by x into 75 by 8. Isn't it? So 75 by 8x. Let us write this. Can I write like that? Tank filled by smaller pipe. By smaller pipe. And tank filled by larger pipe. What can I write, guys? 1 by x minus 10 into 75 by 8. 75 by 8x minus 80, guys. Understood? 8x minus 80. Yes. Now, tank, look at this here. Total, we are filling one tank. So, smaller pipe plus larger pipe to fill one tank, right? So 75 by 8x plus 75 by
8x.
75 by 80x minus 80 is equal to 110. What is the question? Now look at this. Now let us solve this. So 75 by 8, shall I take common? So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 I'll be remaining with is equal to 1. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. So x minus 10 plus x divided by x into x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Srija, you are saying this step directly. No need of taking reciprocal anything over there. So we are, if you simplify, so you are getting like that. X square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Calculate it. 75 twos, 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. So 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Isn't it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm. So how can we simplify this now? A is 8.
8x square minus 200x minus 30x.
So let us solve by using this method, or quadratic equation method. So minus b. So 230 plus or minus square root of b square. B square matlab 230 whole square minus 4ac by 2a. So 230 plus or minus 230 whole square, how much? 23 into 23, guys. 9 6 6 4 9 12. So 529. So 529. 529 means 529 minus 3 into 23, 529. So 529, can I write 529 00? Isn't it? Minus 4 is 32. So 32 into 75. 32 into 75. 32 into 75. So 30 is 75. So 3. So 2400 by 16. Right? So calculate this now. 230 plus or minus 52900. So what I'm going to get here? 52900 minus 2400 means I got 50500 by 16. इसको देखो 505 किसका स्क्वायर होता है? Tell me. Or else can we do one thing here? First, let us find d square here. Let us find discriminant. From this, what is my discriminant? B square minus 4ac. B square is what? 52900 minus 2400. I got 28900. Yes. अरे रे भाई 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 थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिया यहाँ पे. ये 24,000 है. 24,000 है तो इसको क्या करेंगे अभी इसको. हाँ सही है सही है सही है. 529 20. अरे भाई सीधा सही आ गया भाई. हाँ देखो, दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट. So 230 plus or minus 289 can be written as what? 170 whole square. Guys, 17 into 70, I'll be getting 289. So 170 whole square is 28900. So 230 plus 170 by 16 एक बार, 230 minus 170 by 16 one root. So 230 by 170 how much? 400 by 16 ना? So 400 by 16 one thing and 60 by 16 एक बार. So 60 by 16 मतलब ये आएगा 16 1 16 1 2 25. So 25 एक बार and this can be the x value. These are the x values, guys. Whatever we found, these are x values. So 15 by 4. So this is what I got, right? So taking x first smaller pipe. This is what time smaller pipe. Time to fill small time for smaller pipe. Smaller pipe. So larger is what? Larger is what? X minus 10. मतलब 15 hours. समझा? अगर ये लेंगे तो x is equal 15 by 4 hours. ये होता है हमारे को स्मॉलर पाइप को. If you take larger pipe, x minus 10. So 15 by 4 minus 10. So minus 25 by 4 आएगा. Time cannot be negative, right? Time can't be negative. So ये हमारा गलती आ जाएगा. तो ये हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. तो ये भी हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा. तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? ये होगा. समझा बेटा? Time cannot be negative, guys. If you are taking this case, we are getting the time in minus 25 by 4. So this cannot be possible. This cannot be possible. So 15 and 25 is the answer. Understood, ma? कोई डाउट? देखो थोड़ा सा अच्छा सवाल है, बड़ा सवाल भी है. You have to solve
Sir,
this question. Yes, tell me.
yes, sir. Can you now summarize the question?
See, yes, definitely. Now look at this. Very good question. What he has given. See, one tank we are filling. Look at this. One tank I'm filling. One tank I'm filling here. Okay. One tank filling. See here, I have two pipes. Let us say this is my larger pipe. This is my big pipe. Larger and big pipe. So see here, for filling this tank, how much time taken? It takes 8 hours. 9, 3 by 8 means 75 by 8 hours it takes. Total time. So we do not know that X, pipe X. This is my smaller pipe. This is my smaller pipe. This is my smaller pipe and this is my larger pipe. So smaller pipe and larger pipe. Look at this here. We do not know the pipe. He is saying that larger pipe takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. If for suppose smaller pipe takes X hours means larger pipe takes X minus 10 hours. Understood? So what we understanding from this? So larger pipe, why? Because it's a large pipe, right? We can fill it fast. So larger pipe takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So X minus 10 I wrote here. Right? So for filling one tank, how much one quantity can be filled in X hours? And by using larger pipe, one tank can be filled by X minus 10 hours. So total time how much given? 75 by 8 given. So by using smaller pipe, we can fill this one. So 1 by X into 75 by 8. So I'm writing 75 by 8X. Understood now? Understood? Any doubt here? By using larger pipe, I'll be getting this one. And sum of this larger pipe plus smaller pipe. Combining this together, I'm filling one tank. For filling one tank, we are using these two pipes, right? For filling one quantity, look at this here. This is my smaller pipe. This is my larger pipe. Together this, I'm filling a tank. How many tanks? One tank. So I'm taking one quantity. Understood? Understood here?
Yes.
So look at this here. After that, simplifying. After simplifying, I'm getting this one. So what I got this here? So I got minus b plus or minus. If I simplify, so I'm getting this one. So further, I can write twice here. 230 plus 1. So 230 plus 170 divided by 16. Guys, are you here? Yes. 230 plus 170 by 16. 230 minus 170 by 16. So if we simplify, so I'm getting this one. X value 15 by 4 as well as X value 25. If you take X value as 15 by 4 and substitute in a larger pipe, I'm getting minus 25 by 4. Where time cannot be a negative. Where time cannot be a negative. So X value 15 by 4 I'm going to reject. So this value is not going to be possible. So X value 25 is my answer. X value is what? 25.
Okay,
X value
sir.
is 25. X value is 25. So X minus value. Larger pipe is 15 hours. Smaller pipe is 15 hours. So 25 hours. So this is what. Next question. Any doubts here?
No,
हाँ,
sir,
guys.
no doubt.
10th question. Look at the 10th one. Any one of you, can you please read the 10th one? Make it fast. Guys, are you here?
Yes, sir.
So we
Yes,
have.
sir.
Didn't we finish 40 minutes? Okay. Okay, not an issue. Please tell me the 10th one. Tell me. What is the question?
An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore, without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains.
Very good. So what did you understand from this?
Basically that the express train, it takes 1 hour less to travel from Mysore to Bangalore than the passenger train,
Okay.
which is the distance is equal to 132 kilometers, and the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train.
Mm-hmm.
So can we use speed equals to distance by time?
Sorry?
No, sir, I was asking, can we use speed equals to distance by time?
First, let us write the given data. Okay. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. Okay. To travel 132 kilometers between Mysore Okay. So between Mysore and Bangalore, two trains are traveling, one passenger train and one express. Okay. So without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate station. Okay. So if average speed of the train, the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than the passenger train. Okay. So let let average speed of what he has given passenger train, if the average speed of the express is 11 hours more than. Okay. So we do not know passenger then. Average speed of passenger x kilometer per hour and average speed of express is equal to x plus 11 hours. Isn't it more? He's saying more, right? So x plus 11. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
So now look at this now. He has given what he has given. So an express takes 1 hour less than passenger train to travel 132 kilometer. For traveling 132 kilometer, express takes 1 hour less than passenger train. So 132 distance given. Distance the formula is, what is distance formula? What is distance formula?
Speed into time.
Distance equals speed into time.
Speed into time. He has given distance. How much? To travel 132 kilometer. We have speed. We have speed. How much speed into time? So what is my time now? What is my time now? T1 is equal. T1 means, let us say TP, passenger train. Time of passenger train is what? 132 by x. What is my time of express train? 132 divided by x plus 11, isn't it? As simple as that. So what he is saying? What is saying? Guys, understood this? Have I wrote this? TP means time of passenger train. T means time of express train. Understood, guys? Now look at the question. And express this train takes express train takes 1 hour less than passenger train, which means can I write now? Passenger train minus is equal to 1 hour, isn't it? So TP, what I wrote here, 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Understood? So cross multiplication 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x divided by x into x plus 11 is equal to 1. Understand? So 132x plus 132 into 11 कितना आता है? 1452 minus 132x. ये कुछ क्या is equal to x square plus 11x. तो क्या आया? 11x x square 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Right? So solve this. 1452. What are the factors? Or else you use हमारे को quadratic equation formula पता है ना? Minus b plus r minus square root of b square 121 minus 4 times of a into c by 2a. Right? इसको solve कीजिए. Minus 11 plus r minus 121 minus 4 into 1452 how much? So 14 4 4200, 52 4 how much? 208. So 804 4408. Guys, 4408, isn't it? Or AC. Oh my goodness. So we are getting complex. Let us split the middle term. Let us split the middle term. How can we split the middle term? Or else we can do 1452. What are the factors? What are the factors? 3 table, 3 fours, 3 eights, 3 fours, 3 fours, 12, right? So 3 eights, 3 fours. Again 3 ones, 3 eights. No, 4 ones. 4 ones, 4 plus 4 1 12. So 11 into 11. So what I got now? 3 into 4 into 11 into.
Sir,
Yes.
we can write it like x square plus 44x minus 33x
Yes, that
is
is what.
equals to
Yes, that is
145.
what. Look at this here. So 4 into 44. So 4 into 11, 44. 44. Yes, all of that man. So 44x minus 32x minus 1452. So now if I'm getting like this, right? After factorizing that, I'm getting like that. So x common. So if I take x common, x 44 minus 32 common. If I take 32 common, what I'm going to get here? X minus 44. X plus 44 is equal to 0. 32 into 44, again you will be getting this one. So x is equal to minus 44, x is equal to 32, right? So here,
Sir, shouldn't it be 33
Yes, sir, it
or
is
x
33.
minus 33x?
33, sorry, 33x. So 33x. So 33x. 33, yes, 44 minus 33, then only 11, correct. So 33. Here guys, time cannot be negative. So 44 minus 44 is not possible. So x is, this is my answer. So what is asking us to find? Find the average speed of two trains. Therefore, average speed of x. What was my x? Average speed of passenger is x is equal to what? 33 km per hour.
30.
What is average speed of express? X plus 11, right? So 33 plus 11. So I'll be getting 44 km per hour. Understood? So this is my answer. This is for express. This is for passenger. Super fast express. 44 km per hour. Any doubt, children?
No.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Still we make it fast. Okay, next.
No, sir, no, no.
Guys, make it fast. What's the next question? Anyone of you please read the next one? What's the next one? Make it fast.
Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters squared. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters, find the sides of the two squares.
So he's talking about square basically, right? This is my square. Let us say this is my square. This is my square, okay? Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. Difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. Find the sides of the two square. So we know that every side of a square will be equal, right? I have two squares. This is one square, this is one square. Let us say this is x side, this is y side, or let us say a side, b side, whatever you take, right? So perimeter is what here? Let the side of first square is equal to x. Let the side of second square is equal to y. Okay, so perimeter of first square 4 into x. Perimeter of second square is what? 4 into y. Isn't it that? Perimeter is what? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Understood, ma? So look at this. If it is x, this is also going to be x. This is x. This is x. If it is y, this is also going to y. This is y. This is y. Understood, children? I'm writing inside. Let us write inside. Understood? Perimeter means sum of all sides. What he said? What he said? Sum of the areas of two square. Sum of the areas of two square. What is area?
Side into side.
Area. Area of first square is equal to x square. Area of second square is equal to y square. What he said? Sum of the areas of two squares. Sum of the areas of two squares. Sum of the areas. So first square plus x square is how much square? 468 meters square given. So let us write 468 meters square. Okay. And difference of their perimeters. Difference of the perimeter is 4x minus 4y is equal to 24 meters given. So guys, very simple after this. How can we do this? How can we do this? Look at this here. Can I take 4 common here? X minus y. Let us say this is my equation number 1. So this is my equation number. No need of taking that. X minus y is equal to 24. So x minus y is equal to 6.
Sir,
Yes, x is equal to y plus 6.
we're taking the big square as y, right?
No. See, big square, chotu square, bada square, वो doesn't matter here. Square, two squares, one first square and second square. First square side I'm taking x, second square side I'm taking y. Understood?
So then why are we saying 4x minus 4y instead of 4y minus 4x?
Sorry?
Over here
Difference.
on the right side.
No. See, he told the difference of there. Difference means no need of difference means क्या होता है? It could be difference means what? Difference means what? देखो यार, देखो मैंने बता रहा हूँ 5 3 है, इसमें difference क्या है? 2 है. अगर मैंने बोला है आपको, if I tell you what is the 5 minus 3, this is also 2. If I ask you to 3 minus 5, what is minus 2? डिफरेंस क्या है इसमें? डिफरेंस इज डिफरेंट देन सब्ट्रैक्शन, अंडरस्टैंड? डिफरेंट मतलब, डिफरेंस मतलब दोनों के बीच में कितना अंतरी है, क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में उसको, हाउ मच डिफरेंस वी
Yes,
हैव।
sir. I understood.
हाँ,
So it doesn't matter whether you
yeah,
put
no,
the
no,
x
no,
or
no,
y
no,
first.
absolutely doesn't matter. Difference matlab you can take 4y minus 4x also, no matter what. So look at this here. So x value what I got here? 6 plus y, right? So substitute here now in this equation. So let us take this. Let us take this is my second equation. So substitute second equation in first equation. So what will I get? So 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal 468. So a square plus b square plus 12y plus y square plus is equal 468. Any doubt guys here? Any doubts here?
No,
Right?
sir.
So 2 times of y square plus 12 times of y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. So 2y square plus 12y, how much? 200
432.
0. Sorry, 4 200 and what is this? Oh no, 432, yeah, is equal to 0. So 2 common means y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. I took 2 common and wrote directly. Okay, so factorize this again. 216. So 2 tens 8, 254, 320, 3 ones 8. So 3 nines. So 3 threes. Right? So what can I write now? 2 twos 4, 3 3. So 2 3 3. What can I write, guys? Tell me. How can I factorize it? 18. So y square.
18y minus 12y.
Yes, 18y minus 12y. So minus 2 6. So y common. Y plus 18 minus 12 common. Y plus 18 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 18 or y is equal to 12. So area cannot be, I mean side of the square cannot be negative, right? Side of the square cannot be negative. So y is equal to minus 8 is minus 18 is not possible. So y is equal to 12 is the right answer. Understood? So side of the square is what? Y is equal to 18. So now from, look at this here, from the second equation. What was my second equation? From second equation, x plus y is equal to 12 I got. So I got, sorry, x plus y is equal to what was that? Sorry. X is equal to 6 plus y, right? X is equal to 6 plus y. So x is equal to 6 plus 12. So x is equal to 18. 18, understand? 18 meters. This is meter. Clear, children? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? So, so side of the smallest, this is my 18. This is my, how much I got? 12. 12 meters. I hope you clear with this. Any doubt, guys, here?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is what the session, guys. This is what the today's session is all about. So let's retire now. So we'll meet in the next session. We'll meet in the, oh, one second. Don't give the meeting, please. Yes. One second. So let's retire now and let me stop recording.